Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's lecture we will cover the following topics. We will talk about the system development, computer system development, data communication and computer networks. We'll also talk about the information system security or cybersecurity in general. As we can see in front of us, we have the information system triangle. This triangle is a multi-dimension or a three-dimension triangle which consists of three dimensions, starting from people, technology, and processes. People are used to help support decision making, coordinating, control, analysis, and visualize in organization. As for technology, this part includes all the hardware, software, and network or infrastructure used to support the business processes and the people. On the left side, we have processes, which include collection of data, processing the data, storing the data, and disseminating the information. So the information system triangle is a three-dimension triangle that work together to accomplish the information system goals, starting from people, technology, and processes. Any computer-based system or any information system, CBIS system, consists of 8 components. We have the hardware, software, database, telecom, networks, internet, people, and procedures. The hardware include all the computer equipment used to perform input, processing, and output activities. The software include all computer programs that govern the operation of the computer and used to control the computer hardware and equipment. As for database, these are specialized software used to organize the data and information. Database is used to organize data and information. Telecommunication include electronic transmission of signals for communication. As for networks, the computer networks connect computers and equipment in a building or around the country, or can be even around the world. As for the internet, which is the world's largest computer network, the internet is the world's largest computer network. We also have people, which are the ones who uses the information system. People manage, run, program, and maintain the information system. Finally, we have the procedures, which are the strategies and policies the organization follow, or the methods and rules they use in the computer-based information system. So these are the components of any computer-based information system, starting from hardware, software, database, telecom, network, internet, people, and procedures. So the creation of any information system starts with the step of system analysis and design. So if you want to create a new information system, we have to first analyze, and then we have to design. The system analysis and design is a series of processes for analyzing and designing a computer-based information system. System design allows a development team to roughly see what and how their system will look like. And the important results of the system analysis and design is the creation of the application software, which is the software designed to support a specific organizational function or a process. The aids used in system analysis and design include methodologies, techniques, and tools. Methodologies, they are comprehensive multi-step approaches to system development, which are a series of steps or guides that used in the work and influence the quality of the final product. So methodologies are simply just guide to the work or approaches to the system development. As for techniques are particular processes that an analyst will follow to ensure that the work is well thought out, complete, and comprehensible to others on the project team. Finally, we have the tools which are the computer programs that simplify the work or make it easy to use and benefit from the techniques and faithfully follow the guidelines of the overall development methodology. These are the aids of the system analysis and design, starting from methodologies, and then we have techniques, and we have the tools. To create a new system or even to modify or change in an existing one, information system professionals will follow a series of steps. These steps consist of five steps, starting from investigation, analysis, design, implementation, and then maintenance. Starting with investigation. Investigation is the process of understanding a problem or an opportunity that comes to create a new system or to solve a problem in an existing one. This is investigation. And then is followed by the analysis. The analysis is the process of defining what the system should accomplish or what the system should do. This is analysis. After the analysis comes the design step, which is the process of determining how the system will accomplish the purposes or the goals that were selected in the analysis step before. Then we have the implementation, which involves creating the system and putting it into use. This is the implementation. After the implementation, we have maintenance. Maintenance usually involves monitoring and changing an information system throughout its life or throughout its use. So system analysts, which are the people who analyze the system, use the system analysis and design process to develop new systems or to change in existing ones. They study the organization present systems and suggest actions to be taken after doing preliminary investigations.